You get eras, 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s. How much compression, input, output to obviously drive it more. And then you get blend and noise. Now you can hear it right now, noise, adding a ton of noise into the circuit. And you can hear as I go through the eras that the noise changes. So let's take a quick listen to this one on drums. The really interesting thing here about jumping through the eras is that obviously you're making massive changes across the board, right? Not only from the EQ and sonic spectrum of the EQ, but also the compression. And the thing is that all of these choices would take a lot of different processors if you were to try to use traditionally modeled plugins. You'd have to know how to build that chain. So if you're someone who is new to audio production, these plugins should immediately jump out at you and grab your attention, because they're taking all of the guesswork and all of the fooling around kind of out of the picture here, and you get to create faster.